ठीक है, तो इंटरव्यू के बारे में सोचना अभी से चालू कर दो. What the question will ask in interview. Okay, because we already completed the 50% course. So now thinking about the interview. Correct? Now मतलब इंटरव्यू के रिलेटेड थिंक करना है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि इंटरव्यू देना है, राइट? जस्ट ऐसा सोचना ट्राई कर दो कि अभी अपना कोई दिन में 8-10 दिन में, नहीं तो कंप्लीशन के बाद इंटरव्यू चालू होगा, इससे लेवल के
सर आपकी वॉइस सही से नहीं आ रही.
ओके, नाउ इट इज ओके. हेलो हेलो हेलो, अभी आ रहे हैं सही से दीपक? प्रवीण प्रवीण
अभी सही है.
प्रवीण एंड प्रभाकर, माय वॉइस इज ओके फॉर यू बोथ गाइस? सब एक बार बोल दो यार.
Yes, sir.
Some so 5 seconds before it was
Okay, okay.
touching.
Jitendra, am I audible to you also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Now is okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So please confirm my screen is visible. Okay, today's topic is the integration. So screen सबको दिख रहा है, correct? Let anyone confirm that screen
Yes,
is
sir.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. So today we are learning the integration. So what is the integration? Integration means SAP PM module to other module
Sir,
integration.
again voice like coming.
Voice breaking, sir.
Just
Sir,
give me a second.
voice coming with buzz.
Okay, just give me a second. I'm switching my network. Hello. Now it is okay?
Yes, sir. Audible. Okay, okay, sir. Clear.
Okay, fine. ठीक है, चलो. So what is the integration? Integration means integrated, how SAP integrated with other module. Correct? So while learning the master data, already told you time to time what are the integrations available. Okay. So same that all the integration we should have to club it and we should have to answer it. So how we can answer the question, if interviewer asks you like have you worked on integration, so you say yes. So how many means how many module integration with SAP plant maintenance you know? So you say that MM module I know, PP module I know, QM module I know. So the expectation from interviewer like that, every module you should have to tell them 2 or 3 points, or more means we can take maximum the 4 points you can tell them. करेक्ट है? तो 4 4 2 4 ऐसा पॉइंट बताना है. नाउ फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज SAP PM and MM integration. So before going to that theory part, everyone tell me one topic of integration, so that with the help of group discussion we can achieve our goal. otherwise I will explain one or one topic. So अभी तक आपको सिखाया, okay? So
PM to MM.
yes, PM to MM integration. Tell me one by one, one by one topic, everyone, PM to MM integration, because it's a very simple. Praveen, can you tell me any one topic of PM to MM integration? Anyone, anyone. It is very simple one.
So, sir, MM2, like if we reserve a material, so for that, like MM is integrated because with the when we reserve a spare part, so we need to like MIGO
Exactly,
process. So that is the
exactly,
integration. Yeah.
exactly. Correct. One point is there. Other point. Similar to that only. Similar to material only. 2-3 points should be come out.
Yeah, purchase requisition comes under material management, sir.
Purchase, yes, correct, but partially correct. Purchase requisition for which category of material? Which material category? Which type of material
Machine.
category? Material category I am asking. L or N?
L. Sorry, non-stock.
N
Non-stop.
category. That is
N.
only interviewer expect from you. You
Okay, sir.
told him like that, so the second question is a category. So बताते टाइम में ऐसा बताना कि they should not cross question us. Okay? और else बताया भी तो we should have to handle the questions. दो हो गया. Other प्रभाकर you can tell me anyone. कुछ बताओ जीतू, आप कुछ बताओ.
सर एमएम में हमको ऑल मटेरियल्स जो भी हम यूज कर रहे हैं वो सबका लिस्टिंग करना पड़ता है और वो सबको लिस्ट करके और उसको स्टैंडर्डाइज करना पड़ता है.
Correct. But list of material which are you are those spare parts or material you are using for particular maintenance purpose. So where you put that part technically? ये क्वेश्चन में
Sir, very
50%
important.
सिलेबस से ही पूछ रहा हूँ, ज्यादा इसके बाहर सिलेबस के बाहर कुछ भी नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ.
When we take maintenance, if the stock is in, if the material is in stock, we have to post it in stores, sir.
Yes, we post in the store. Yes, but against what? Against maintenance
Against
order only.
equipment, sir. Maintenance
Yes.
one.
Interviewer asks you the simple question. See, think, but they are expecting this thing from you. They are not considering कि you know that thing. Correct. Okay, fine. 3 or 4 topics is enough for PM to EM integration. So there are so many topics, one by one we can take. Okay. तो सभी बताना है, सभी पता रहना चाहिए. There is no compulsion. Okay, you can tell them 3 or 4 topics. If integration, so it's more than sufficient. But confidently, sure. Okay. Let's move toward our theory. So PM, MM, plant maintenance and material management integration. So first integration point is very simple. No one told me. Material code for order, BOM and tasks. We are using material code which are maintained by material management team in our transactional data like maintenance order, in our master data like BOM, in our master data like task list. Correct? So for this first point you can make a 3 point also. We use the material code for order, we use the material code for BOM, we use the material code inside the task list. Okay, everyone able to visualize it or not? Otherwise I will go in the system and show. बताओ what happening there. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screen नहीं दिख रहा होगा, लोड हो रहा है. Now screen is visible or not?
Black screen, sir.
Black screen.
Okay. Okay, now on it again. So देखो, what is the T code to check the BOM? Just give me a second.
IB03 sir.
काय झालं? बोल ना, क्लास चालू. काय झालं? नाही झालं रे क्लास. वेळ आहे अजून. Okay, sorry for interruption. So IB01, so we can put the material over here inside the plant maintenance master data. So material is maintained in the MM module, so this is nothing but an integration. We can see same thing in task list also. What is the T code? I01?
I0
inside the component tab. Okay, we just have to select first the operation and then the component tab. So you can provide the material over here. So this is the second integration. And inside the order everybody know. Okay, दिखाने का जरूरत है. Yes or no बोलते जाओ यार. ऑर्डर में तो पता है ना किधर डालते हैं.
Components.
Yes, component tab. We are putting this all the things in component tab. Okay, we are putting the material in component tab. Okay. चलो बैक कर लेते हैं. तो अभी इतना तक क्लियर है. Okay. First point is clear for everyone. Second point, reservation for L category stock item. So I think Praveen told me, right? No, Praveen told me for non-stock item. PR for non-stock item for N category item. Means in component tab, when we select the N category for the material, so its PR will get generated. Means purchase request will get generated when we put this N type of category material inside the maintenance order. When we put L category of material inside maintenance order, so its reservation will get created. Correct? And with the help of that with the help of that order number, we can use the Migo transaction and we can post the material. Is the fourth point. Correct? Again, when we want the service PR, we want to take the service from external vendor. That time inside the maintenance order, we are maintaining the control key like PM03. Correct? We are maintaining control key PM03 for service master. So ये clear है? Any doubt in it? Otherwise एक order लेते हैं जो readymade है. Okay. PR question service PR. So you can see that PM03 control key for service PR. We showed control keys. PM03 for external services. करेक्ट है? ऐसा और नो यार बोलते जाओ, मेरे को समझ नहीं रहा है, आपको समझ रहा है कि बहुत ईजी जा रहा है या बहुत हार्ड जा रहा है? Already we covered that things. We should have to just combine that. We should have to frame the structural word and tell in the interview. This is the expectation from you guys. What is next? Next is service fee for external services. We use the control key PM03. Then the split valuation of refurbishment order. So we can see the split valuated material. So when we learn the refurbishment order, that time we check this. So in that, say for example, pump. New there is a one pump which cost is a 9,000. So new pump cost is a 9,000. When it get damaged, so it cost will get reduced to 1,000. And when it get repaired, so cost will get again increased to the 3,000. Correct? So new and repair cost is the difference. So we are splitting this cost. So we use the split valuation, material split valuation in the refurbishment order. So this is nothing but a one more integration point between PM and MM. Correct? Good issue against the reservation means we in the MIGO transaction we issue the goods. We select the goods issue order and put the order number. So with the help of that we can post the material. So this is nothing but another integration point. Some serialized number and profile that will also check. If you not tell this, there is no issue. Correct? Or 8, there is a material type. Now we are using material type for spare is a IRSA. So everybody should remember this material type IRSA. पता है जब MM01 में material बनाते हैं, these are the work of MM team, but we should have to know some things. MM01 we should have make the material. So there is a material type for spare parts. You can check. Search the spare part over here. Spare parts. So for the spare parts there is a material type IRSA. In some cases directly spare part name will mention, in some cases IRSA will mention. Okay, so IRSA is nothing but the material type for spare parts. Other material types are available for raw material, for semi-finished goods, some finished goods, but these terminology are used in a PP model. So these are not related to us. For MM and plant maintenance integration we use the material type as a IRSA. ये 8 पॉइंट में किसको कुछ डाउट है? यू कैन आस्क एनीवन. Any doubt in these 8 points? You should have to tell 4 point only to interviewer. 3 to 4 point. It's enough for PM and MM integration. Tell me, बोलते जाओ यार. Anyone having any doubt? Simple है, there is no issue. But still, anyone having any doubt, you can ask. Because PM and MM integration is very common. Okay, can we move ahead then?
Yes.
Okay. Then next, ये point ये मैं एक फाइल दे दूंगा आपको जैसे ये खत्म हो जाएगा. So you can make your own sentence. Next अपन लेते हैं PP. PM and PP integration. So anyone tell me what are the PM and PP integration points? Already I will told you while teaching.
Planning activities they will do for work.
That might be, but one simple integration point while making the equipment I will told you PM and PP. Can anybody remember this?
Regarding sir work center.
Correct.
Like
Yes,
correct.
sir.
So inside the plant maintenance master data like equipment, we use the production planning work center in the location tab of equipment master. So this is the integration point between PM and MM. ये पूरा चीजें एक्सपेक्टेशन है, ऐसा पूरा बताते आना चाहिए. करेक्ट? ओके, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट इंटीग्रेशन है. ओके, वर्क सेंटर इक्विपमेंट बनाते टाइम एंड फंक्शन लोकेशन बनाते टाइम. ओके, वी कैन यूज द inside the location tab we can use the work center of PP in a plant maintenance master data. Correct? Second point is a PRT. PRT is nothing but a production resource tool. Okay, so we are using the P equipment category while making the production resource tool. So what is that? I will tell you. So open the transaction of equipment IE01, enter. Now this is the equipment category. While making the equipment of plant maintenance, we use the category EAM, but there are several categories are available. So while we are learning the calibration process, that time we use the calibrated equipment by using the equipment category Q, but we should have to make the equipment like say for example we should have make equipment of vernier caliper. So vernier caliper is a equipment which are come in which category? Can anyone tell me? Vernier caliper is a equipment which are come in which category?
Sir, Q category.
So vernier yes, it might be Q, but more we can say that more accurate. So anyone tell me vernier caliper is a tool, correct?
Yes, it's a tool.
So vernier caliper is a tool. So someone want to make equipment as a tool. So that time they use the category that production resource tool.
P.
And
Right,
PRTs, it is nothing but a PRT. So for that we use the equipment category P and we use the vernier caliper. Can say that vernier caliper. Don't mind spelling. Okay, vernier caliper. And again we can see the tab like PRT data. That time we should have to fill the data. PRT. But we are not using that vernier caliper because production people using that. But we just have to know, we just have the awareness of this. Correct? Yes or no? So this is nothing but an integration. So we can say that we can make production resource tool using the P equipment category. Correct? First point is for work center. Next point is the scheduling. Okay, when we learn that scheduling, when we learn the configuration of work center, that time I told you this point. Okay, so in that forward scheduling and backward scheduling option are there. So don't worry. Now skip it. When we learn the configuration of work center, that time again capacity planning in work center. ओके, वर्क सेंटर में अपन ने कैपेसिटी का प्लानिंग किया था, यस और नो? मैन पावर कैपेसिटी,
Yes, sir.
correct. So that manpower capacity, machine capacity, all the capacities are also maintained in the PP module as well. So these are the points. So you can tell these two important points: work center in equipment function location tab and production resource. It's more than sufficient between the PP and PM integration. Anybody having any doubt in that? बोलो यार, बोलते जाओ, मेरे को भी मजा नहीं आ रहा है फिर.
No, sir.
ओके, विल मूव.
नो सर, नो सर.
ओके, ठीक है. PM PP हो गया. QM, चलो QM तो सबने सीखा है, इट इज इजी फॉर यू. तो बोलो QM के लिए क्या क्या पॉइंट रह सकते हैं इंटीग्रेशन? टेल मी एनीवन, वन बाय वन. कैलिब्रेशन पूरा ही इंटीग्रेशन का पॉइंट है. कैलिब्रेशन प्रोसेस, होल प्रोसेस इज द इंटीग्रेशन पॉइंट बिटवीन what can I say, PM and QM. So tell me one point, everyone. First point, we are using the Q category, correct? While making the
Yes.
equipment, we using the Q category for calibration,
Calibration.
instrument, what can I say. So this is the one of the integration point between PM and PP. Second, we are making the MICs with the help of T code QS21, master inspection characteristics. So inside the MICs अपन ने क्या रहा, PM का ही डेटा भरा, करेक्ट है? So these are the integration between what can I say, QM and PM. Again we define the sampling procedure. So this is the next integration, correct?
Yes.
So you can tell this point where it is QM. So equipment category Q while making the calibration equipment, first point. Master inspection characteristics, MIC, second point. Sampling procedure, third. Result recording 4. Calibration process is nothing but the integration point between PM and QM. Usage decision will be done. Inspection lot will be created. Correct. Inspection lot is created inside the order. Correct. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So inspection lot order में ही क्यों create हुआ? Because of the integration. Or one more question, when we are going to deep, why inspection lot is created? Can anyone tell me? It's the best question, interview question. Why inspection lot is created? अपन ने means in which master data we provide what value due to which inspection lot will get created. Anyone?
So in the task list we took
Correct.
300.
Correct. This is the most important question. Inside the plant maintenance task list, we maintain the task list. We maintain the inspection point, that is a 300 for equipment. Then only the inspection lot will generated in calibration order. And same for function location as well. We use the 310. This is the important. So this point is more than sufficient for PM and QM integration. Any doubt in it? Shall we move ahead? Yes or no?
Yes.
Visualize नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो task list का screen देखो. Okay. Go inside the task list and try to understand each and every field. Okay. Field पे ही interview होता है. Interviewer किधर से भी एक हाथ दो field पकड़ के लाता है और पूछ देता है. Correct. So that is a common question. ये हो गया. Then we are moving to the finance. Okay, FICO, financial financial accounting and controlling. Financial accounting and controlling. So in that, order settlement process is the one of the point of integration. So how the order settlement process is there? How order gets settled? Can anyone tell me? Explain me. 1 or 2 point.
So this cost is settled against order.
So correct. Cost is settled. I understand. But what step we have to make to settle the cost?
Invoicing, sir. The payment invoicing.
What? Please repeat again.
Invoice.
No. Don't go deeper. Simple thing I'm asking. What step?
We have to release.
Correct. Release one step. Release maybe one step. Next step.
After the technical closure.
Technical closure is the last step.
Okay.
उससे पहले क्या था? बराबर जा रहे हो. But technical completion is the last step. Simple. We should have first done the time operation confirmation. Then only manpower cost get booked. We should have to perform the MIGO. Then only the material cost get booked. This is the order settlement process. So you can explain them the step by step. Correct. And you just want to tell point that order settlement process is the integration point between FI, CO and PM. So if interviewer asks you the cross question, explain the order settlement process, that time you can tell them the 2 or 3 points. You can tell them the costing also. You can again tell them we are using the cost center which are maintained in the finance, which are responsibility to make the cost center is a finance team, and this cost center we are using in a plant maintenance master data while making equipment, function, location or work center. This is also one of the integration point. We are using the company code, correct? We are using company code in equipment, function, location as well, correct? And company code is maintained by the finance team. So this is also the integration point. We are using the asset code also. I already told some asset having the code. So that time while making the equipment there is a field for asset code. So this is also the integration point. Cost elements, some cost element are there, some primary cost, secondary cost. This is some advanced. But if you want to remember, so you can tell them. Fiscal year, it is a responsibility to maintain the fiscal year financial finance team. So what is the fiscal year? April to March. Generally in India they are using fiscal year from April to March. Some other countries they are using the January to December, Russian countries, correct? So finance team will maintain the fiscal year. Settlement period they are maintain. You remember, right? While doing the MIGO, they are not allowing us to done they are not allowing to post the material on same date. Yes or no? Today's date.
Yes.
So we use some 2021 date, correct? So that settlement period is not properly maintained by finance team. If they maintain properly, so we can able to post the material in that same date, correct? So they can handle the posting period, they can handle the controlling area. So इधर तक समझ में आया?
Sir, that warranty period, who will control?
Warranty period. There are two types of warranty: customer warranty and vendor warranty. Vendor warranty, to controlling vendor warranty is work of us. Customer warranty is the work of SD. It is also the integration between sales and PM. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So up till now is okay. 7th point तक समझ में आ गया. Settlement rule. So we can see the settlement rule in our order. जाओ उधर ऑर्डर में किधर अभी तो ओपन किया था यार फिर चला गया. चलो you can see the settlement rule. Go there. In the settlement rule we can provide the settlement receiver. If the settlement receiver is a PRT, production resource tool also the settlement receiver, WBS element also the settlement receiver, but generally we are using settlement receiver as a cost center only, and we can provide a percentage. Means here we can put the 2, 3, 5 cost center and we can distribute it percentage. Means किसको 60% दिया, 40% दिया, or 60%, 30%, 30%, 20% like that. So this is nothing but an integration, correct? Because this we can say that account assignment and cost center is maintained in a finance team only, and we are using these in our maintenance order. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the integration point. Settlement profile. Settlement profile is also there when we learn about what can I say, configuration. That time I told you. Allocation structure, that time also told you. Value category, that time also told you. Activity type. See, anybody remember when we learning the work center? Last I told that what are the price of the people that are work to maintain the finance team. So this is nothing but activity type. So they are maintained for technical, engineer, person. What is the per hour rate of that? Correct? Again in work center the cost center assignment, labor cost per hour with the help of KP26 transaction. तो ये इतना थोड़ा हार्ड लगता होगा तो we don't have to tell. Just इसमें से 4-5 बता दो. हैंडल कर पाओगे ये इंटीग्रेशन फाइनेंस और पीएम, और एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. देयर इज नो नीड टू टेल ऑल द 13 पॉइंट्स. पिक द 4 to 5 पॉइंट्स एंड एक्सप्लेन. यस और नो?
Yes.
अपना फेवरेट निकालो जिसमें अपना अच्छा नॉलेज है. पीपी हो गया, क्यूएम हो गया, क्या बचा फिर? एचआर मॉड्यूल बच गया, एचआर एंड एससीएम मॉड्यूल. तो टेल मी एनीवन, ये 3 पॉइंट में किसको डाउट है? और आई नीड टू एक्सप्लेन. चलो एक्सप्लेन ही करते. वाइल वर्क सेंटर वी आर यूजिंग एचआर एमएस डेटा, एचआर डेटा. यस और नो?
Yes.
क्योंकि उसका कैपेसिटी प्लानिंग कितने बजे आ रहे हैं, कितने बजे जा रहे हैं, तो इससे एचआरएमएस का डेटा भी कभी कभी पुल कर सकते हैं. When we are making the equipment notification or what can I say, yes, equipment notification, that time we use the partners, correct है? partner use किया था, देखो दिखा दो. So we are using the partner while making the equipment. See, this is partner. So that partner data is maintained where? That partner data is maintained in HR module. If they are maintained in HR module, then only we can pull this data over here in our master data. So this is nothing but an integration between them and us. Okay. Next, personal number. When we are doing the time confirmation, there is a personal number. Okay, we can check IW. check W43, you can see the personal number over there. Personal number, if they want they can maintain this personal number. इसको कुछ doubt है इसमें? Anyone having any doubt in it? Personal number is like right now we are maintaining the cost inside the work center, but if some industry want, no, we want maintain the cost in individual person, so they can provide a personal number over it. It's optional. Any doubt? बोलो यार, बोलते जाओ.
No sir.
दिस इज इंटीग्रेशन. HR का एक भी बता दिया तो इनफ है, ये ज़्यादा पूछेगा. This is not much more important. MM is important, PP is important, QM is important, and FICO is important. These integration points are important, and they are expecting 4, 4, 2, 3 points from this. So this is nothing but the plant maintenance and other module integration. Anyone having any doubt? We have so much time.
No doubt.
Correct, eh? So what is the homework? You can take a pen or paper or try to write each and every point in your own words, so that in while preparing for interview you can remember that point and you can present this for structure. देखो मैंने जैसे short form दे दिया है, short form important key points I should have provided in that PPT, what can I say, in that file. So you should have to make the proper sentence for it, and while interview that will help. Okay.
Sir, apart from this module, like PS and SG also integrated with PM.
Yes, that also integrated with PS, but there is not much more important thing. PS module, where I see PS module, A01. You can see reference element for PM and P. So this is the integration. But if interviewer asks you, have you worked on PS integration, just tell no. So they again ask you the different question, in which integration you are working. So just tell them PP, HR, QM, MM. Correct है? यही बताना है. So they are expecting this from you. This is not a compulsory one, because in बहुत कम इंडस्ट्री में ये यूज होता है, सो वो इतना माइंड भी नहीं करेंगे. ओके, बट जो इम्पोर्टेंट नॉलेज चाहिए दैट आई विल प्रोवाइड यू, डोंट वरी अबाउट. सो दिस इज द इंटीग्रेशन पॉइंट. सो उनका रेफरेंस एलिमेंट का नंबर इधर डाल दो. एक्सटर्नल आईडी से भी इंटीग्रेशन हो सकता है. देखो, व्हाइल creating task list I told you, if you want the task list data to different server, different software, so you should have to provide their link over here, so this data will get fetched. So this is nothing but an integration point also. बट इतना डीप जाना नहीं है, फिर वो आपको इंटीग्रेशन के डीप में सवाल पूछने लगेंगे दैट यू शुड नॉट एबल टू हैंडल, बिकॉज इफ अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू वर्क इन रियल टाइम यू शुड नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दैट क्वेश्चन. करेक्ट है? इंटरव्यू खराब करके बैठो. अदर देन दिस एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क. राइट नाउ माय प्रोजेक्ट इज इंटीग्रेशन. वी आर मेकिंग preventive maintenance order, we are making breakdown maintenance order, we are making equipment, we are doing time booking and material posting through interfaces directly. We are not using the standard transaction or custom transaction. Directly we have the integration between SAP and MES. Whatever the data sent from MES ने data भेजा, automatically order create हो गया. Correct है? MES send some data, automatically time posting will happen in SAP. MES send some data, automatically material posting will happen in SAP. So these are the integrations. So this is some advanced integration terminology. But in order to working that project, you should have the knowledge of standard things. Correct? Because when we are facing the issues, so we are directly when we run directly to standard only. By standard में हो रहा है क्या, पहले हम ये देखते हैं, then we are checking the interfaces. करेक्ट है? सपोज कुछ न्यू रिक्वायरमेंट आया तो पहले हम स्टैंडर्ड में रन करके देखते हैं, भाई स्टैंडर्ड में हो रहा है क्या SAP में. ओके, द स्टैंडर्ड में हो रहा है तो फिर उसका लॉजिक बना के अभ्यापर को देंगे, तो फिर वो उसका कस्टम बनाएगा. करेक्ट है? तो ये सारी चीज़ें इंटीग्रेशन, बहुत सारे टाइप के इंटीग्रेशंस होते हैं. इन दैट वी शुड हैव टू यूज द सॉफ्टवेयर लाइक पोस्टमैन. ये ठीक है, ये प्रोजेक्ट नॉलेज के सेशन में आपको सब डिस्कस करूंगा. राइट नाउ दिस इज नॉट राइट टाइम. ओके, so integration में any doubt you can ask.
No doubt.
Means right now in my current project, SAP in their plant, but they are not using SAP directly. They are using SAP indirectly. They are using MES. मतलब MES में कुछ डेटा भरेंगे और SAP में ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा. ये लेवल का इंटीग्रेशन. करेक्ट.
So for that you have to visit the plant, or you will do that remotely?
I am doing that remotely. There is no region. Already interfaces are available. All things are available. MES team is different. MES team is different. MES team maintain for MES team data, and in that MES and SAP there are middleware PIPO. So MES send the data to middleware. Middleware send the data to SAP. There are advanced topics. So don't think about it. Just think about the standard. Just see, जिसको standard SAP पता है वो सब जगह टिक जाएगा. Correct. These are the custom things. So whenever you get the real time knowledge, that time you understand that. वो एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं करते इंटरव्यू दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग. देयर इज नो इशू. ठीक है, चलो देन वी आर गुड टू क्लोज. ऐसा नो कुछ तो बोलो.
Yes, sir. We are.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.